Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a place away from your home and you want to visit in the future. You should say where you would like to go, when you would like to go, who you want to go with, and explain why you want to visit the place. So there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered between 1 to 2 minutes. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created. I am quite fond of traveling as well as like exploring new places, and today I would like to speak about a place named Nainital which I have always wished to visit. So instead of starting with the first question directly, we have given an introductory line as well as we are clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today. So let's continue. It is a beautiful hill station located in the foothills of Himalayas and is popular for the revered Naini Devi temple which stands on the edge of the lake. Furthermore, I would like to go there in the month of June when the temperature would be moderate, ranging between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and not very cold, with my family members to get temporary respite from the hot and humid weather of my city, Kolkata. So this answers the question which says when would you like to go there and who you want to go there with. So let's continue. Additionally, I would like to enjoy boating at the picturesque Naini Lake situated in the backdrop of the majestic mountains, catch a glimpse of the mesmerizing sunrise from Tiffin Top and also pay obeisance at the divine Naini Devi temple. So as you can see, we have used a wide range of vocabulary here and all of which will surely increase our band scores for our lexical resources. So picturesque instead of saying beautiful, majestic instead of saying huge, which means massive. And also we use the word obisa, which simply means to offer prayers at the temple. Or you can also say worshipping and offering prayers at the temple. So let's continue. Moving further, I would like to try some exotic cuisines at the local restaurants and also purchase souvenirs from the street markets. So we have answered all the 3 questions. So let's continue. Finally, this trip would give me an opportunity to develop stronger bonds with my family members while relaxing and de-stressing in the tranquil environment at the same time. So as you can see, we have answered all the 4 questions. We used a lot of different words to convey the same meaning. We used connectors like furthermore, moreover, additionally. All of these will increase our band scores for our cohesion and coherence part. Apart from that, we also made sure that our pronunciation was crystal clear at all times, and we also didn't take any kind of pauses or do any kind of fumbling in between. So all these again will increase your band scores. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another cue card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.